Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera distortion in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cam cache. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search camera. Click on camera. Scroll down. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset cam setting. Open camera. Click on four dots more option. Click on setting. Scroll down. Here you will see reset setting. Now click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, click on reset. After click on reset, your camera setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix camera distortion in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.